Welcome back, guys, to a special video that we're going to be doing. We get asked a lot of questions from beginners that they just bought a pellet grill, and so I figured I'd make a video for all those beginners that just got one and don't know what to do. Now, the beauty of this video that will help them out is I know there's a lot of you guys that already know how to do this, are professionals or been doing this for a long time. You guys have tips and tricks on how to do a pellet grill. Now let's do this comment section for you guys to add your comments on tips and tricks that you guys do to help out those that are just starting in this journey. All right, so you just got a pellet grill. First of all, congratulations. It's a beauty. I started it and I never looked back. Love it and looking forward to many years of smoking meat. So let's get right into it. So you're just done assembling your pellet smoker. You already did the burn off and all that. If you guys haven't done the burn off, at the end of this video there'll be a video that's going to pop up around here, and it's going to show the burn off. You guys can click on that one if you guys need help with that. But if you guys already did that and now you're ready to start, here are the things that you need to do and why we do. All right, so the first one is real easy. Is you're going to go ahead and fill up your hopper with the pellets that you bought. Now there's going to be different flavors of pellets. It's just going to come to you trying the flavors out to see which one you like. For me, I've tried a lot of them, and the one that I really use a lot that I like to use is the hickory. That is one of my favorites. I do want to try the charcoal one to see if it gives a good charcoal flavor, but that's another video. But for me, it's hickory. So go ahead, first thing you want to do is fill up your hopper with the pellets that you bought. All right, so once you have your pellets in the hopper and your hopper's full, next step you're going to do is you're going to open up the lid. Now when you're starting your pellet grill, every time, this is every cook, it's not just a one-time thing, it's every time you do a cook, startup is always the same. You're going to open up your lid, leave it open. And the reason why you do this, so the reason why leaving the lid open is crucial to this. It prevents overloading the barrel with smoke and helps prevent a backdraft in the unit. That's why you always see us with the lid open at the beginning. So once the lid is open, you're going to go ahead and turn on your pellet grill. Now you're just going to turn it on and leave it there. So now what you're looking for is it's going to take about a couple minutes before you start seeing some smoke. Now it's going to come to a part where it's going to be a lot of smoke, a heavy smoke. So far so good. So you can still have the lid open. Then you're going to start seeing the smoke kind of die down a little bit, and then it's going to come to a point where there's not really any smoke. That is when you close the lid, and the next step for that is raising the temperature to what you need it at. Is raising the temperature to where you're going to cook at. So once your temperature reaches up to wherever you want it, now you can add your meat that you're going to be smoking, and you're going to do through the whole process of smoking that meat. Once it's done, then you're going to take your meat out, and then you're going to go ahead and turn off the grill, and then it's going to go into shutdown mode. Now in this part, you don't need to have the lid open. The lid can stay closed, but the shutdown mode is going to go on, and then you'll hear the fan going. You're going to wait I'm saying about 5 minutes or so around there, and then it's just going to shut up by himself and you're done. So all you people that have been doing it for a while, leave a comment of any other things that I might have missed in the process, or any other things that you guys do extra to help with your pellet grills. So leave a comment so all those new people can come in and look at the comments and learn more from you guys. And one extra tip, people always ask, how often do you clean your hopper and inside of all that dust? I would say it just depends. Like this Pit Boss has a way that I can take off the fire pot from the bottom without taking everything off. So I do that every other cook. It's easy. Now if I didn't have this feature, I would do like on the third cook, or at least about 8 hours of cook total. I would do that. So that's a tip for you guys. So hopefully everybody else puts in their tips and tricks in the comments. I hope you guys like this video. Hit that like, that subscribe. There's more how-to videos coming. I will see you guys next time.